Hi everyone. In the last video we have seen that how we can implement the routes. In today's video we are going to see that the layout which we have created, why we need it and how we can implement it. So now let's go back to our browser. If you will see, we have about and only about is coming. The text in contact also is it's the same. However, on our home page we have header and footer both. Now I want my header and footer to be available on all the pages which I have created about and contact. So the one thing is, obviously I can go to my about component and import header and footer, which is not a right approach. It is repeating approach. So what I can do is I can have a layout, a master layout in which my header and footer is there and it will remain same. And based on its about page, contact page, home page, the content in between keep changing in that layout. So this is what we are going to implement. We have already created our layout, which is our root layout. It is here. We have header and footer. Now, first thing what we are going to do is we are going to use this root layout in our app routes, because from here everything runs. So let me go and import my root layout. And now how to use it? So to use it, what I need to do is root path home element, and I'm going to use this root layout here. Now one thing important to notice here is that I'm going to close this route here. Now why I'm doing this? This is not a self-enclosing, because this means that under this route, whichever route I am defining, they will share the same layout. So home, about, contact will share the root layout. Now why? Because there are chances that you might have other layouts also, which we are going to learn when we are going to do nested one. So you can have multiple layouts also. So if you want a new route should not share this root layout, then what you will do is you will introduce it here, okay, outside this. So that's why we are doing this nesting one. Now if you will see, we have path here and we have path here, which is home. Both are pointing to home, but we can change it and make it index. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go back to our browser and see what is happening. So this is our home page, but you will see the content has gone. Okay, now let's go to our about. You can see the header and footer is coming now, which is a good thing, but our about text is not coming. Same with the contact. Now what is wrong here? The wrong thing here is, not wrong thing, but the problem here is we told our routes to use root layout, but we haven't told our root layout where to show our component. So for that we have to do another import from our React router DOM, which is outlet. Okay, and now wherever I want the content to come, that component to come, I will just put outlet. Now what React router DOM is gonna do under the hood, wherever it will see outlet, it will just display our component there. Let me repeat, wherever it will see outlet, this element will be visible there. So let's go back again and you will see your content is coming. Let's go to about. You can see your about is coming, and now let's go to home page and it is coming. Now if you will see on home page, we have two headers coming. Now why we have two headers coming? The reason is, I'm pretty sure we have header imported here. Yeah, so just remove it from here, footer also, because it is coming from our root layout. Now let's go back and you will see you have only one header and footer. Now let's go back to root layout, and if I will change this outlet above header, now what will happen is you will see your component is coming first and then your header and footer is coming. So you can change the position of outlet, and based on that your component will be visible. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, that you are able to understand that how to use root layout, why to use root layout, and you can have multiple layouts. And then you also learn about the outlet, which will help you in displaying your component content. Right now what we haven't done is, till now we haven't made this navigation work. We are able to go through from URL browser URL, but our this navigation is not working right now. So in next video we are going to learn how we can make this navigation work so that we don't need to type every time from our browser. Same request, if you like this video, please show your love, share in your network, share with your friends, share in your at your social media. Let me know in the comment section how it is going for you, how if you have any feedback, if you like the content, also let me know in the comment section. I'm looking forward to that, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.